Hello, today I'm gonna show you how the BMW Android screen looks like. It is installed on my BMW e90 and it's the third series, and now you see the navigation. It is built-in application and you can use it, or you can use the Waze or the Google. You see the app list. I have Waze, I have YouTube, I have cinema system. Now I'm listening to music to the YouTube app, and of course you can install Google Music application on it. By the way, it has built-in SIM card, and you can use data SIM. Not to share the Wi-Fi from your phone. It has iDrive keys. Actually, my car hasn't it before, and these keys were in the package with the screen. Yeah, by the way, you can make the video larger with multi-touch. It supports multi-touch. By the way, the quality of the screen is pretty good. Yeah, it's good. It's full screens, full HD screen. Yeah. There are some configuration inside. You can see somewhere the car data, the car parameters inside. Oh, I need to update something. Okay. Okay. And you have music. You can upload music inside the screen. Yeah. Yeah. You can navigate with the iDrive. You can open Waze. Okay. I'm opening the Waze. And you see the quality of the screen. It's good. So, if you wanna order the screen, just press the link in the description below and choose the combination and the specification you would like.